Hello friends, welcome to Swillian training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about chamfer operation. So let's start. You will see in chamfer operation, this is the image of chamfer operation. You will see the 20 diameter and the overall length is 30. Now you will see the chamfer value is 5 by 5. Otherwise you will say the 5 length and 45 angle chamfer is here. Okay. Now you will see the cutout is here. Same as the other operation, like blue lines is represent your depth of cut and the red lines is represent the rapid traverse move. Now the value is 0.5, means the depth of cut value is 0.5. See. Now in next you will see the chamfer image is here and the cut is here. See. Now the program. First of all, Z00, X00, Z00. So the 00 point is here. Now Z00, X10, Z00 means this value is here. Now the next is Z01 means the cutting motion. So Z01, X10, Z minus 5. You will see the point is here. Again the tool is moved at a home position, means the Z00, X10, Z00. Another you will see Z00, X9, Z00 means here the value is 1 and next is Z01, X9, Z minus 0.5. You will easily understand this. The Z value means this point value is minus 4.5. Next is Z00, X10, Z00 means again the home position. Again Z00, X8, Z00 means the tool is moved downward side. And Z01, X8, Z minus 4 means here this value. Now you will see here the value is the home position at a 7.000 and the cut is minus 3.5. Next cut is 3. Next cut is 2.5 and next minus 2, minus 1.5, minus 1 and minus 0.5. So after that our program is start this point. Now the tool is move upper side, means here. Now cut like this motion, again backward, downward side, again cut, backward side. Now downward side, again cut, backward side. So by this motion the chamfer is cut. Now I will explain the chamfer operation in our eCam software. But you will memorize this, the 20 diameter and 30 length, and our chamfer value is 5. So I will open eCam. See, here the eCam. Now in turning, lathe with live tool, OK. The diameter value is 20, the length value is 30, OK. See, now the 2D view means the top view, and in turning we will select the external turning because here the option is step profile and you will see the chamfer option is here. So our diameter value is 20, depth value is 30 and the chamfer value is 5. Enter. You will see. Now I will click on OK and again OK. You will see the chamfer is applied. See. In tool parameter, we will give the value 0.5 and OK. I will 2D view. You will see. Now in 3D view, and I will play this operation. Simulation. See. The cutout is here. So I will click on OK. 2D view, and now click this simulation. You will see the cutout is ready after the finish cut. See. And tool is home position. So I will click on OK. You will easily understand by this the chamfer operation is here. Now in 3D view. Okay, again open our slide. So in next lecture we will discuss about chamfer and step operation, otherwise step and chamfer operation. Thank you friends.